Alright everybody, I'm back. So you put a Liebert condenser fan motor in because the motor was bad. Went to turn the unit back on and it didn't work. Well, there's another step in this process. I'm going to show you what to do. So, I should turn this on before I start this, but here we go. Power's on. I'll cut this door off so I can show you real quick. There's a list of stuff here. Okay. Actually, gotta kind of rain it a little bit. That door over my head. Once you get the 888, you're gonna go down. Well, still waiting. There we go. You should have an F menu pop up first. You're gonna escape. You're gonna go to P menu, enter, and then PO1. You push enter. It's set to a 0. In order to do this, you need to unlock it. You need to set it to a 1 so you can make changes. Then push enter. And then escape. And you'll be back to PO1. Now you go down to PO2. PO2, if you look at the back of that door, you notice it's upside down. You'll have to look at your unit. It tells you to program the automatic programming for the EC fan motor. So, and you have to select what type of fan motor you have or what manufacturer. Our brand is Zeal A-Bag. And Zeal A-Bag on this list is let me see. 1 is EDM, 2 is Zeal A-Bag. So I will go push enter PO2, and it's already set to Zeal A-Bag, and I will push enter. Now it says 0 through 4 and everything shut off. What just happened? Okay, now begins the waiting period. What it did was turned everything off and starts readdressing everything in the condensing unit. So it initializes, and we wait, and we wait, and we wait, and I'm still waiting. Boom, contactor number 1 pulls in. Now, the contactor pulled in, but like you'll see, fan motor not running. Okay, that is 100% normal. 100% normal, y'all. You go back here, you'll wait. Okay, contactor 1 shut off. Now you're waiting, you're waiting, you're waiting, you're waiting, waiting. MOSFET looks a little overheated. So we're still waiting. Boom, contactor number 2 pulled in. And now you can see it says, well, I don't know if you can see for sure, but it says 2-04. And again, number 2 is not running, but like I told you, that's 100% normal. The motors will not run during this setup period. After a minute or so, you see that contactor shut off. Now it says 2 through 4. And we're still waiting. These things are notoriously slow, y'all, so get used to waiting. Still waiting. Boom, contactor number 3 pulled in. And now it says 3 through 4. Okay, let me look again. Nope, motor not running. Okay, like I said, perfectly normal. So still doing its thing, thinking about whatever it's thinking about. Alright, contactor 3 shut off. And it still says 3 through 4. Now what's it gonna do? Alright, I'm going to tell you what it's going to do because this might take a while. Now it's going to go out and it's going to look for unit motor number 4. See that? There you go. 4-4. If this unit had a number 4 motor, it would initialize and program that motor. Basically what's happening here is it's assigning it an address, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it knows what motor is what. So after it goes and tries to see number 4 motor, obviously we only have 3 motors here. That's a different unit over here. We only have 3 motors, so obviously we know it's not going to find the number 4 motor. So, boom. It's done now and it says 3. So, it's found 3 motors. Okay. Now you can walk away and everything's hunky-dory great, right? Wrong. After this is finished, push escape. Go back to PO1. Enter. Change this back to a 0. Enter. Boom, now look, all 3 contactors pulled in. Amazing. Now this unit's ready to roll. When the unit downstairs turns on, it's going to start all 3 motors. Just a tip, you can do this sometimes. You don't have a bad motor, maybe for whatever reason you got a power hit and just kind of lost the program. You can do the same initialization and the unit will initialize and maybe cure your problem without replacing a motor. However, if it gets to the number 2 motor and you have a dead number 2 motor, it stops there and won't go to number 3. Keep that in mind and you won't be able to get it back. So, this works on all units, 1 through 4 motors. This unit actually has 2 condensers connected to it, so I shut this one off first before I started it. And I shut the one off next to it, so it wouldn't interfere. But that's how you do it. Just letting y'all know. Unauthorized HVAC. Out.